All right, we're going to go over real quick today this problem these P97 sometimes have with this sear double catching just as you fire, and how to address it, either yourself or what a gunsmith would have to do to fix it.
Nice.
All right, so I'm going to attempt to repair and fix out the smoothness of the trigger. So on double action, empty, no mag. Double action, it seems that it goes through just fine the entire cycle. However, on single action, there's a little catch right here, and it goes. For the most part, that's pretty consistent. Kind of annoying, and some parts need smoothed out. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Going to push this down here. I'm going to bring it forward, right to this notch, just like in 1911. Push out the lever, and take it out. This comes off. Now for this, I've already cleaned this, so we don't need to worry about that. So we're going to need to tear this down when you start taking parts apart. First thing, we're going to take the spring off for this. We're just going to punch that out. Okay. Alright, so there's that guy there, and the spring, and this. Note the position it goes to the back. It looks fairly clean. I'm going to run the cleaner through it anyway. And now we've got that's nice and loose. So this guy is unique just to the bottom. And the sear. This here helps eject it. This is the ejector. And this guy might come out too since it's not under pressure. Take that out. This holds the hammer in. Okay, this will be 1/16. Start with a sear. It pushes out pretty easy. Well, it starts to push out pretty easy, so we're going to, this is under spring tension, so you're going to hold this down. Both of these are the same. There's that one. Okay. So those are the same. And this will come out through here. And this is going to be 5/64. Actually, Actually, what we're looking for here is the sear. And this guy, since they're out, we are going to go ahead and take a look at them. Again, this guy just goes right in here. Like this. There we go. And you see right here, there's some rubbing here on the sear. See it or not, but that's definitely an issue. The air out a little bit. Give this guy some duty. Get everything nice clean. This is the Hoppies #9 cleaner lube. It's basically brake cleaner. Get rid of though. Alright, so onto the sear. Get a clean injector. And bam. These are fine. This looks fine. Not too bad. Okay, this is the hammer face. This is the sear hook right here. I don't know if you can see that. So what we're talking about here is this little bit of discoloration where the hammer hits part of the sear. You can feel it too. Needless to say, if you're uncomfortable doing any of this, just take it to a gunsmith. They have them smooth this up. But it's not a difficult job, and it should only take less than an hour, just a basic shop charge. So YouTube is not going to let me show this part, but what you do here is you need to find where the surfaces are uneven between the sear and the hammer hook and smooth them out with a sanding stone till they're smooth, and then test and do again. Like I said before, if you remove that black ejector thing, it's a bear to get back in. To get it back in, you need a shim on the left side of the frame to hold the pins up while you push it in. It's just a shelf in there. Otherwise, everything this goes back the way you took it out. Put the hammer in first, then the sear and the spring, and push them in. Sometimes using a punch through the part that has a spring in it will help line everything up. Good luck. Alright, just a quick follow-up to the last shooting video. I did manage to get a little more of the sear sorted out. So now we'll show it's empty for all you YouTubers. And on a single action, there's no creep at all. Or, well, no catch. So all fixed. Like I was saying before, do not remove this guy here, which is by punching this out here and this here, as you'll have a hard time getting it back in. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, Frugal User. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next one. See you soon.